Hey guys, it's your girl Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and today we are back with another mini tutorial. A mini tutorial is something that I do where I teach you a new skill in under 5 minutes. So today we're going to be learning how to do this perfect holiday ombre lip with the MAC and Nima Tang collaboration. So if you'd like to see how this gets done, let's get started. December 4th. You look on your calendar, you realize you got a couple of holiday parties to go to and you want to be able to pull off the perfect holiday lip. No worries, I'm here to help you. In order to pull off the perfect holiday lip, you're gonna need a few things. The first thing you gotta do is make sure that your lip is exfoliated. You want all those dead skin cells to be sloughed off so that you give your lipstick the perfect canvas to be accepted on. I usually start with a lip plumper. I don't know why, but I just feel like, well, first of all, I like the tingles. And then I feel like it makes the skin a little bit easier to come off. Now, if you don't like the tingles, don't do this. Don't do this and then say, you made me burn off my lips. Don't do that. But that is what I like to do. Anyway, after I put on the lip plumper, I use my Crazy Essentials lip scrub and I just use my finger and scrub my lips. That's why my lips are really pink right now. The next thing that we're gonna do is put on MAC Prep and Prime. Now I love MAC Prep and Prime because it's like the perfect base for lipstick. It doesn't bother with like oil-based lipsticks. Like it doesn't mess with them. It doesn't like make your color look like a little bit see-through or anything. It's just perfect. It helps your lips feel moisturized. And like if you have a lipstick that's super drying, you can put that on under it and it doesn't feel as casket-like on your lips, right? So today, to make this perfect holiday lip, we're going to be using MAC's Night Moth lip pencil and the Nima Tang and MAC lipstick collaboration. Y'all, I've had this since it came out and I have not used it yet. So I learned this tip from Ellery. When you are lining your lips, do not put it like directly on top of your lip like that because it's easier for the line to go like wonky. Just put it flat against your lip and line your lip like that because then your lip line will be nice and straight. And lip liner is essential to a good lip look. It helps not let your lipstick run. It helps you have like a skeleton for your lipstick to go inside so you know you don't bring your lipstick past this point. So if you're like me and if you have like lopsided lips, you know, hey, I'm not bringing my lipstick past this point to my natural lip line. I'm making my own lip line with this lip liner. So now we have this Nima Tang Bullet Lipstick by MAC and it's this beautiful red color. It's perfect for the holidays. I'm not sure if this is still on the website, but if it is, go pick it up. So when you have it at your preferred like darkness, what you want to do is take a lip brush and then just kind of blend it back and forth between the lip color and the lip liner to get, you know, that perfect blending that you want. Now, as you can see, I kind of messed up over here. And as I was going, I saw it and I was like, I'm not gonna fix that just yet. I'm not gonna edit this out because I want to show you guys what I do if I mess up my lip line. If you have a lipstick that is like bright red like this, or maybe like even a purple or like orange or something, just take some of your foundation and put it on, I don't know, I guess the back of your hand just a little bit. Dip your brush into that and then use that to create your lip line. This takes extra time, but it makes your lip look so good at the end. Anyway, there you have it. This is the perfect holiday lip and it's expertly applied. It doesn't have to go on perfect, it just has to look perfect when you're done. I hope you take some of these tips and tricks that I gave you and use them throughout this holiday season and just like have a wonderful, I don't know, end of the year. Like whatever holiday you celebrate, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, Christmas, it don't matter. Any of those. Have a good, you know, have a good everything, all right? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Down at the bottom of the screen, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. We are 20 away from 500. That is my goal for December 31st. So make sure if you're not signed up that you do sign up and that you watch some of my content because it is bomb, all right? Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026 and I will see you in my next video, all right? Thank you guys so much. Bye.